I worked as a performer for 40 years. I still consider myself a dancer. I think I carry many ghosts of performers that I've worked with in particular. I love choreographers and I love the people whose signature I have carried as an artist. But I think the deepest influences are those of the other performers that I've worked with, in fact. There have been many different relations in the field to attributing artists with authorship. So saying, you made this work, we will have you co-author it. And in the 80s and 90s, people started to do that a lot in New York. And then when I moved to Brussels, I also saw it there. They might share authorship, but they don't actually own the thing that they've made. They can't sell it to someone else. They can't destroy it. They could be replaced. And all of those things sound like they're really bad, but I actually, it's all right with me. Like, I don't mind not owning things, but I love to author things. So I just got interested in the question of what it means to author things as a dancer. If you don't own it and you can't control it, what does it mean to make it? Right now in the research, my colleagues Andrew Hardwidge, Gabriel Schenker, and Frank Bock and I are having studio conversations with dance artists. And they're just a very condensed process for speaking about how they work. One of the struggles that we have is how to document these conversations in a way that really honors the partialness of the conversation. And one of the ways that we found to kind of hold the memory of the place that we were in or the objects that got used was these etched glass objects. We selected images from the studio conversations, and it really it's evocative of what's left out and also helps you remember what actually happened. We have one here that Frank Bock and I had in an outdoor studio, and there's a very nice moment in that image where two elder men walked through our studio conversation. They didn't know what we were doing, and they just kind of went through it. And you can see it's caught in the etched glass. There's sort of sweet interruption. I am Krissa Parkinson, and this is Stockholm University of the Arts.